In this video, I'm going to show you our 3 medium plus 1 small Orgonite pyramid set. So I've got 3 medium pyramids and our 1 small pyramid. I'm going to give you a basic overview of what it's for and how to use it. So this is our least expensive pyramid set. It's our introductory set. We tried to make sets at different levels, different price levels, so that a lot of people could get them. In this case, we have our medium pyramid. And you can check out the medium pyramid video if you want to see that. But all of our pyramids are made of extremely fine iron powder and high quality epoxy. With Orgonite, you want an organic material and an inorganic material. In our case, the iron powder is the inorganic material and the carbon-based epoxy is the organic material. They're all very sleek. They're all dark gray. They have a metallic shine, as you can see. And they're very, very dense. So we believe a pyramid, this is probably the normal size. And I've got a big hand, but this is probably the normal size that you see of most so-called Orgone pyramids, colorful ones. But we believe this is much better value because it does not have visible layers. So the layering of the organic and inorganic material is what we believe causes the accumulation of Orgone. And when you see layers, you see all of the layers that would possibly do that. In this case, because you don't see the layers, there are actually thousands and thousands of layers because the iron powder and the epoxy has bonded so tightly, creating thousands of layers, which we believe is far superior for accumulating Orgone. All of our pyramids are made using the original recipe for Orgonite, developed by Karl Hans Welz, who is the inventor of Orgonite. So you get the original recipe. We've worked with a material science PhD to get the composition down, to get the look and the feel down. All of our pyramids have a nice felt bottom that sit comfortably on anything. We're going pyramids to the next level by creating a set. So the purpose of this set is to link to a generator. You don't have to have a generator to buy the pyramids. You can still get multiple pyramids, place them in different parts of your home, have them accumulate positive Orgone, and that will work. What we really made these to do, though, was to link with a generator. And all of these pyramids come to you structurally linked, so they all have an energetic connection with each other. And then what we have in mind is this. I've got a Performer 2400 HD here. I'm gonna turn it on. There we go. So what we really want to do here is all of these are structurally linked, and we do that before we send them to you. And you can link them, unlink them, but we link all of them before they come to you. And this is the anchor pyramid. So what we do with every set, there's a small. The purpose of the small is to put on or next to the generator, and then to place the rest of the pyramids, around your house. So you could put one in your bedroom, one in your office, one in the living room. They look very nice. You can definitely show them to people. And by structurally linking the pyramids, this keeps each pyramid connected to the positive stream of Orgone created by your generator. Okay, so in essence, we create an energetic grid of positive energy to ward off bad energy. So even if this is not in the same room or even the same physical location as one's in an apartment, one's in a house or an office, even if this is not in the same room as the generator, it stays connected to the generator to receive a positive stream of Orgone. And you can send different energy, different intentions, and different frequencies to each pyramid if you wanted to. So, right here, and it's a little tough to see, so it's tough to see this right here, but if I switched here, a relaxation frequency, I could set up a trend, an operation to send that frequency to this pyramid. So maybe you put this in a room where you want to relax. You send another frequency to another pyramid in a room where you want to sleep. Another one where you want to work out, another one where you want to be focused on work. So there's a lot of flexibility, and I'm going to go over that in another video. But the purpose of the set is really to be linked with an Orgone generator and to create an energetic grid around your house. You can put one in your bedroom, wherever, kids' room, living room, like I said. So workout room, office. So that's the real purpose, and that's where we think we've really made an improvement over any, there's a lot of improvements over other Orgone pyramids, and I'll talk about that more in another video. But that's how you use it. And so what you can do, so you can keep this small one, you can keep the anchor pyramid on the device and have it connected to the others, right? Or if you wanted to, this is small enough to fit in your pocket. So what you could do if you wanted to is this. You could because they're still linked, right? There's not, the link doesn't go in one direction. So you could put that on you could put that on the device. You could carry this in your pocket, and then the other two would be, you could just place in another room. So there's a lot of flexibility, and we think they're just flexible. We think they're powerful, and we're very, very proud of them. So this is the 3 medium, 1 small Orgonite Pyramid Set, the introductory set, the least expensive. It's a great value, and we believe it can bring a lot of positive energy into your life.